Hello everyone. So today we are going to study about exercise 6.3 of chapter 6 squares and square root. In our previous exercises, exercise 6.1 and 6.2, we discussed the squares of a number, how we find the square of a number, Pythagorean triplet. Okay. Today we are going to discuss square roots of any natural number, how we find the square root of a perfect square number. Square root, we know that 2 square is 4 and 11 square is 121. So if 2 square is 4, then square root of 4 is 2. So square root of 4 equals to 2. 11 square is 121, so it's opposite. 121 square root is 11. Okay. Square root of square 10 square is 100, so square root of 100 is 10. Properties of square roots. Okay, 1 square is 1, so square root of 1 is 1. 2 square is 4, 4 square root of 4 is 2. Similarly, square root of 9 is 3, square root of 16 is 4, square root of 25 is 5, square root of 36 is 6, square root of 49 is 7, square root of 64 is 8, square root of 81 is 9, and square root of 100 is 10. Okay. Suppose a number is given whose last digit is 1. Suppose a number is 9801. 9801. Its unit digit is 1. And question is that what is the possible ones digit of its square root? If we find the square root of 9801, then what is the possible ones digit? What is the possible ones digit of its square root without any calculation? Okay, a number whose last digit is 1, for example 1 and 81, unit digit is 1, its square root is 1 and its square root is 9. So a number whose unit digit is 1, then possible ones digit its square root is 1 or 9. Okay, because square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 81 is 9. One's digit is 1, then its square root one's digit is 1 or 9. Similarly, if a number whose last digit is 4, then possible one's digit is of its square root. What is the possible one's digit of its square root? Okay, we have 4 here and 64, unit digit is 4, and their square root is, square root of 4 is 2 and square root of 64 is 8. So a number whose last digit is 4, then possible ones digit of its square root is 2 or 8. दोनों में से कोई एक digit होगी. A number whose last digit is 9, 9 we have here, and 49, 9. Then possible ones digit of its square root is 3 or 7. Okay. For example, suppose if we find the square root of 289, what is the possible ones digit? 17, because unit digit is 9, 7, and 529, unit digit is 9 and its square root is 23. So a number whose last digit is 9, then possible ones digit of its square root is 3 or 7. ओके, दोनों में से कोई एक हो सकती है. नेक्स्ट, नंबर्स whose ones digit is 2, 3, 7 और 8 are surely not a perfect square number. ये हम पहले भी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. वो सारे नंबर्स जिसकी यूनिट डिजिट या वंस डिजिट 2, 3, 7 और 8 है, वो नंबर्स स्क्वायर नंबर नहीं हो सकते. हम बिना किसी कैलकुलेशन से सिर्फ लास्ट डिजिट से पता कर सकते हैं कि ये नंबर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर है या नहीं. अगर कोई नंबर की लास्ट डिजिट 2, 3, 7 और 8 है, तो वो नंबर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर नहीं होगा. ओके. नेक्स्ट, फाइंडिंग स्क्वायर रूट. हाउ वी फाइंड द स्क्वायर रूट? There are some method to find the square root. First is by repeated subtraction. How we find the square root of a number, a perfect square number, by repeated subtraction. Okay. In our previous class we discussed that the sum of consecutive odd numbers, suppose this one, we get 16 because 1 2 3 4 4 consecutive odd numbers, so their sum is 4 square. So to find the square we add the consecutive odd numbers, and to find the square root we subtract the consecutive odd numbers. For example, find the square root of 81. So to find the square root of 81 we use subtraction of odd numbers. 81 minus 1 is 80, we get 80. Now from 80 we subtract next odd number is 3, so 80 minus 3 is 77. From 77 we subtract 5, we get 72. 72, and what is the next odd number? 5, then 7, so 72 minus 7 65. 65 minus 9 56. 56 minus 11 45. 45 minus 13 32, and 32 minus 15 17. 17 minus 17 0. So we subtract consecutive odd numbers from the result till we get 0. Now we get 0. We use how many steps? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 steps are there. So square root of 81 is 9. So by repeated subtraction method we subtract the odd numbers, consecutive odd numbers, till we get 0, and then we count the steps. The number of steps is the square root of the given number. There are 9 steps we use, so square root of 81 is 9. So that method is repeated subtraction method. Next method is प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड. ओके, प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन पहले भी पढ़ चुके हैं. किसी भी नंबर के प्राइम फैक्टर्स हम कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं. अच्छा, स्क्वायर रूट कैसे करेंगे प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड से. जैसे एक एग्जांपल ले लिया, फाइंड द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 9216. ओके, फर्स्ट वी फाइंड द प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ 9216. 9216 लास्ट डिजिट इज 6, डिवाइड बाय 2. 4608 लास्ट डिजिट 8, divide by 2. 2304 last digit is 4, so again divided by 2. 1152, it is also last digit 2, so it is divisible by 2, so we divide by 2. We get 576, last digit 6, again divide by 2. We get 288, last digit is 8, so we again divide by 2. 144, last digit is 4, we divide by 2. Okay, 72, last digit 2, so it is also divisible by 2. 36, last digit 6, divide by 2. 18, last digit 8, divisible by 2, so divide by 2. 9. Now 9 is not divisible by 2, so what is the next prime number? 3. 9 divided by 3 3 time, and 3 divided by 3 1 time, so we get 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 2 10 times, and 1 and 2 3 2 times, so we can write 9216 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 2 2 2 2 2, how many times? 10 times. And how many 3s are there? 1 2, so 3 into 3. Now to find the square root of 9216 we make the pairs of 2 same digit. First pair, second pair, third pair, fourth pair, fifth pair, and one pair of 3. So square root of 9216 is 1. From the pair we use only 1. Okay, one pair, then one more 2. Okay, then 2, then again 2, then one more pair of 2, and pair of 3. So square root of 9216 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, and 32 3s are 96. So square root of 9216 is 96. So first we find the prime factors of the given number, then we make the pairs of 2 same digit. Okay, the pair at the place of pair we use 1. Okay, 1 1 1 1 and this one, and the product of this number is 96. So square root of 9216 is 96. One more example, find the square root of 729. Okay, so first we find the prime factors of 729. Last digit is 9. It is not divisible by 2. So next digit is 3. By 3 if we divide 729 we get 243. Again divide by 3 81. Divide by 3 27 times. Divide by 3 9 times. Divide by 3 3 times, or divide by 3 1 time. So how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 729 we can write as the product of 3 how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Next step, we make the pairs. First pair of 3, second pair of 3, and third pair of 3. So square root of 79 is how many pairs of 3 there are? 1 2 3. So 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 27 is the square root of 729. Thank you.